tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for bakeries and pastry shops. The commercial 3D candy printer, professional edible sugar printer with a multi-nozzle system. This isn't just any printer. It's an industrial-grade, AI-controlled food printer designed to take your cake decorating and pastry creations to the next level. Imagine being able to create custom cake toppers, intricate sugar sculptures, and personalized chocolate decorations with ease and precision. That's exactly what this incredible machine can do. Let's dive into one of its most impressive features, the commercial 3D candy printer for professional bakeries. This machine is built for high-volume production, featuring a robust multi-nozzle system that can work continuously to meet the demands of even the busiest bakeries and pastry shops. The ability to produce intricate designs and detailed decorations without interruption is a massive time saver, allowing bakeries to focus on what they do best, creating delicious treats. Whether it's for a special occasion, a wedding, or just a regular day at the shop, this printer ensures that bakeries can offer unique, high-quality products that stand out from the competition. Another key feature that really caught my attention is the AI-powered design customization with logo integration. This advanced technology enables bakeries to seamlessly integrate custom logos, brand designs, and personalized messages into their creations. Imagine being able to offer corporate gifts or wedding cake toppers that are not only delicious, but also perfectly branded. The AI system makes it incredibly easy to design and print custom decorations, giving bakeries the opportunity to offer truly unique products that will impress their clients. This level of customization is unprecedented in the industry and is sure to be a hit with customers looking for something special. The multi-material capability with rapid switching is also worth highlighting. This printer can work with a variety of edible pastes, including sugar, chocolate, and fondant, and features quick change cartridges that minimize downtime between different materials and colors. This flexibility is a dream come true for pastry chefs and bakers who want to experiment with different flavors and designs without the hassle of having to switch machines or wait for hours for the printer to be ready. The rapid switching capability ensures that production is efficient and that bakeries can offer a wide range of products without compromising on quality or speed. Lastly, the high-precision extrusion for professional detail is truly impressive. With an accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, this printer can achieve exceptional detail resolution, enabling the creation of intricate lace patterns, delicate lettering, and complex sugar sculptures that elevate bakery offerings to a whole new level. This level of precision is unprecedented in the industry and is sure to impress even the most discerning clients. Whether it's for a special occasion or just a regular day at the shop, this printer ensures that bakeries can produce high-quality, visually stunning products that will leave a lasting impression. In conclusion, the commercial 3D candy printer is a game-changer for bakeries and pastry shops. With its robust multi-nozzle system, AI-powered design customization, multi-material capability, and high-precision extrusion, this machine offers unparalleled versatility, precision, and efficiency. If you're a bakery or pastry shop looking to take your creations to the next level, this printer is definitely worth considering. Find the link in the description below to learn more about this incredible machine and how it can help you elevate your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your bakery and offer your clients something truly unique and special. Thanks for watching.